Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. It's Angela, the Traveling Crafter, and I am here with a quick Bolo book flip through that I found recently, just out of the blue. I'm trying to remember what little shop I was in. I think it was the little thrift shop that's in Clear Lake. I'm not positive, but this is called So Retro. And I think if you're in the market for ephemera or things that have to do with sewing, or if you love to sew, this would be a great book for you to own. It's by Judy Kettler, and it's 25 vintage inspired projects for the modern girl. So retro. Now, as we flip through this, I'm going to make some decisions because I really want to use this for ephemera for my sewing and domestic arts journals, but at the same time, I also think it would be, it's pretty, and it would be a cute one to keep on the bookshelf at the Belrose at our Airbnb. So we'll see as we go what we have. Yeah, because it'd be fun to read this. Start a quilting bee. And it's got the timeline. Singer introduces an electric sewing machine. Vogue magazine debuts in 1892. Trying to get that all in without moving it. You have to excuse my hands, I've been painting. That's cool. She's a fabric designer. Victorian pincushion. So then it's got like what you can make. I think this would be kind of cool to keep in the, let's see, let me flip through. So it's got a lot of cool images. However, I think this is going to be one that personally, I mean, look at that. Come on. How adorable. But personally, one I think would be better suited to, for me, to keep on the shelf. Because it's pretty. But this is tons and tons of, I love the timeline. Just pieces that are, this is beautiful, that you could fussy cut out. So it's a neat, really neat magazine, and if you're a seamstress or a quilter, this might be also something you might be interested in. But I just wanted to pop up for a little Bolo Books. Bolo Books is a hashtag that I host. It is be on the lookout is what Bolo stands for, and this is one I think some of you would be interested in having in your collection. So I hope you enjoyed that. If you have a Bolo book find, please use the hashtag so all of us can find it. And check out what you have found, whether it's in the wild or one of your favorite books that you would like to share with us. We will talk to you until next time, friends. As always, remember to take time to just be. We'll see you soon. Cheers.